Lesson number 8, a true winner. Today we will revise question answer and some exercises of this chapter. Question number 1. What was the contest? Answer is, the contest was to decide who would be the best traveler on the highway. Question number 2. Why do you think no one stopped to clear the pile of stones and dirt on the road? Answer is, no one stopped to clear the pile of stones and dirt on the road because they don't want to lose the contest, and moreover they don't want to get their clothes and hands dirty. Question number 3. Do you think the young man cleared the pile of stones in order to win the contest? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Answer is, no, the young man do not clear the pile of stones in order to win the contest because he was not aware of the contest, and he cleared the pile of stones to make the people comfortable while traveling on the highway. Next question is, what was the king's real purpose in declaring this contest? Answer is, the king's real purpose in declaring this contest was to find an honest and good citizen for his kingdom. After this, our next exercise is jumble the letters. Here some letters are given. You have to make it in a meaningful word. T-E-S-T-C-O-N. When we unscramble these letters, it will make contest, C-O-N-T-E-S-T. D-O-M-K-I-N-G. Correct answer is kingdom, K-I-N-G-D-O-M. G-E-D-G-O-J. Correct answer is jogged, J-O-G-G-E-D, jogged. G-E-S-T-Y-M-A. Correct answer is majesty, M-A-J-E-S-T-Y. L-E-I-P. Correct answer is pile, P-I-L-E, pile. Next exercise is multiple choice questions. Number 1 is, once a king decided to build a great dash. There are 3 options: dam, building, highway. Correct answer is highway. Put a tick mark on highway and write highway in the blank also. Number 2, the king announced a dash. There are 3 options: A, contest, B, party, C, war. Correct answer is contest. Put a tick mark here and write contest here also. Third is, the rich brought out their dash carriages. A, expensive, B, fanciest, C, beautiful. Correct answer is fanciest. Put a tick mark here, write fanciest here. Next one is, he was holding a dash in his dirty hands. A, bag, B, basket, C, box. Correct answer is bag. Put a tick mark on bag and write bag here. Last one is, a good citizen is a dash to society. A, blessing, B, curse, C, conception. Correct answer is blessing. Put a tick mark here and write blessing here. After this, we will do fill in the blanks and true false, which is given on page number 32 in your book. First one is, the king decided to build a great dash. Correct answer is, the king decided to build a great highway. Write highway here. Second, the rich brought out their dash carriages. The rich brought out their fanciest carriages. Third, the entire day people dash along the highway. Answer is, the entire day people travelled. There was a huge pile of dash on the highway. Answer is stone. Stones. There was a huge pile of stones in the highway. After this, true false. The king announced a contest. This one is true, write T. Second one is, all the citizens had one common complaint. This is also true, write T. Third, traveling on the great highway was uncomfortable. This one is also true. Fourth, one citizen stopped to clean the pile of stone and dirt. This is also true. all the answer of true false are true. So students, go through the video, and those students who have not done this work, do it and learn it. Thank you.